Okay.
Alright, replacing a screen on a Gateway NV4403 because my son tripped over the cord and broke it. I already started doing this once, but my battery went dead in my camera, so it's partly apart, so I'm just going to show you quickly. I put one screw back in and the face back on. There's nubs on these 6 screws on the laptop. You take the little nubs off with a flathead screwdriver. Just flip it. And then you take the screw out with a Phillips screwdriver. So you're going to have 6 screws to take out. Mine are already out. And then you're just going to stick your finger in here, and you'll hear clicking. It unsnaps. And it's connected to this. So, just flip it over. Again, this was already done in my last video. But the screws right here with the Phillips screwdriver again, just take those out. Flip it back over. And just pull it out from the sides, and the other side, and take it off. Now you have screws on this edge and this edge. Again, I have this one taken out and this one taken out, this one taken out. I just have this one left to take out. They're really short, so be careful. And you have, let me see, I didn't check the back of this thing yet. That one's not quite out. There we go. Flip it over. And you have this little thing here. Should just pull right off carefully. Oh, right. What do we got? We've got, looks like it's something that plugs. Yeah. Alright. In. Oh, there we go, little piece of tape holding it down. Take that off and leave it up. Take your broken screen off. And beat your son over the head. Just joking. Get out your new screen with the sheet protector. And lay it down. And refasten this lovely little thing. There we go. Stick it back down gently. And place this back up here. Take off the tape. And your screen protector. Alrighty. Stick it back in spot. Push these wires up so they don't get in the way. There we go. And do your screws. That's right, this one wasn't quite out. There we go. Oops, now it comes out. Tiny, tiny, tiny screws. Really tiny screws. I think I'm gonna start with this one. Holy Hannah. Up here. Holy crap. Ha! One. This could drive a person to drink. You bugger. Let's try this. Oh, who makes these tiny, tiny screws? Let's see if we can get it in position. Ha! Looks like it went crooked on me. It did. There we go. 2. May want to pause this while I get these other 2 little tiny screws in.
Can't really pause it.
Can't? Okay.
I can unrecord and record.
Oh, great.
Minute and a half. Minute 20.
I can hear you, Michael. Oh, seriously? Oh, you bugger. Little freaking screws. Oops, moved it. Ha! Free. I don't care if it runs over. It's not going to be by much, I don't think. And these ones down here are annoying. Oh, you butt. And 4. Just make sure your thing is where it needs to be out of the way. Put your cover back on. Snap, 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 snap. Snap, snap. And all we have to do is put those 6 screws back in. 1. Is it under, Michael? Time, I mean.
11.
Oh, I got that one. I can't get back in. There we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 5. Oops, there we go. Snap. And 6. Put the little nubby thingies back on. And 2 little screws that we took off of here. And let's see if my son is going to be happy. Plug me in. Ah, this one's in the back. Cross your fingers, your toes, your nose, and everything else. Okay, where's the power on this one?
Side.
Side, that's right. Turned on. We have picture. Yeah. Broken. See this? Broken. Awesome. And I'm not a techie.